Hi, we're in Baoase Resort in Curaçao, and just wanted to give a quick look at how this resort looks as you're looking into their cove-like beach on a nice sunny day. Just a beautiful aqua blue water, very calm, great service, great food, great beach butlers. But it's a special place where you can come for a handful of days. And as we kind of go through over here, this is kind of open ocean over here. We have kind of all these nooks and crannies. To the sunset, which is going to be a busy place. This is Curaçao. Looks like really good for couples. Really great villa product that they have here. Tomorrow we'll be going out on one of their boats. Anyway, this is Baoase in Curaçao. We really like it here, and we look forward to working with you on your next vacation.